What industries can AMR be applied to? AMR has a wide range of applications, including logistics handling, warehouse operations, production line support, medical service, and retail. According to the needs of different industries, different types of AMR robots can be selected. Traditional lift-type robots can handle tasks such as raw material transportation, materials transfer, and human assistance. For larger and heavier materials, smart forklifts can be chosen. With customized accessories, they can be transformed into mobile caravans, robotic arms, and more. All of these can be customized and programmed according to the specific needs of the application. In the logistics and warehouse industry, AMR robots can be used for automated warehouse and logistic operations, including cargo handling, shelf placement, and inventory management. In the manufacturing sector, AMR can be used for the automation of manufacturing processes, including materials handling, component transfer, assembly line support, as well as equipment inspection and maintenance. In the healthcare sector, AMR can be used for transportation, medicines, medical equipment, and even performing cleaning and disinfection tasks in hospitals. In the retail industry, AMR can be used for inventory management, shelf organization, product handling, and online order delivery. AMR can also be used in chemical and hazardous environments to replace humans in environmental monitoring and handling of harmful substances, reducing the risk of human exposure to hazardous factors.